Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will clear the seventh derivation, which is the relationship between multiplier and marginal propensity to consume. And do subscribe the channel to see 6 previous videos related to the determination of income, output and employment levels, which is given by J.M. Keynes. So let us start this derivation. In the words of Kurihara, the value of multiplier K in fact depends upon the value of marginal propensity to consume. Higher the value of MPC, greater will be the value of multiplier. So let us start the derivation technique. The relationship between K or MPC can be expressed in the following equation. And the equation is, we know that K is equal to delta Y upon delta I, or Y is equal to C plus I, or delta Y is equal to delta C plus delta I, or delta I is equal to delta Y minus delta C. So we have derived the value of change in investment. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Now, by putting the value of equation number 2 in equation first, we get K is equal to delta Y upon delta I, or K is equal to delta Y upon. So I am putting the value of delta I is equal to delta Y minus delta C. Now, by dividing right hand side of the equation by delta Y, we get K is equal to delta Y upon delta Y whole divided by delta Y upon delta Y minus delta C upon delta Y, or K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus delta C upon delta Y. And because of delta C upon delta Y is equal to MPC, so by putting the value in this equation, we get K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC, or because of 1 minus MPC is equal to MPS. So K is equal to 1 upon MPS. Let us explain the derivation technique. The value of multiplier, the value of K depends upon the value of MPC. Higher MPC gives greater value of K. Lower MPC gives smaller value of K. In the entire economy, consumption of one person is the income of another. People consume a large part of their income on consumption, or rest is saved. So K depends upon how much income is consumed. There is a direct relation between K or MPC. As MPC increases, K will also increases, and there is inverse relation between K or MPS. As MPS increases, the value of K will diminishes. So increase in income is much more than increase in initial investment. So in this derivation technique, we have explained that if the value of marginal propensity to consumption is higher, then there will be the greater value of multiplier, and it represents direct relationship between K or MPC. And similarly, if lower the value of MPC, it means if the value of MPS is more, then the size of multiplier is lower, which represents the inverse relationship between K or MPS. K or MPS. So in this way we can clear, as well as the value of marginal propensity to consumption will increase, the value of multiplier will also increases. One more thing that must be kept in mind, that initial increase in investment is not increase, that is not in the same proportion as increase in income. It means increase in income is much more than increase in increase in investment. So that's all regarding this relationship between multiplier or marginal propensity to consumption or marginal propensity to savings. Thank you.